Hello everyone. In the video, we are going to cover 5 best electric fat tire bikes in the market, which are the best for you considering some unavoidable factors that you might miss out without watching this video. Here, we are going to give you an impartial review to help you out to find the best from a plenty of irrelevant products. For more info and updated pricing of the products mentioned in the video, make sure to check the links in the description below. Let's start. Number 1. Our best pick is Heybike electric fat tire bike. This is probably the most well-known brand on the market for various types of electric bikes. So if you are looking for an electric fat tire bike, this is a great brand to start. In the first position, we have this electric bike. This is our first choice for the best electric fat tire bike since no other options are quite as portable as this one. This is a foldable electric fat tire bike with 20 inches wheels that makes its footprint significantly smaller than other options. Plus, this unit is highly compatible with many electric bike racks on the market. But, this bike still falls under the fat tire category thanks to its 4 inches thick tires. As for its specifications, this electric bike is powered by a 500 watts motor offering 20 miles per hour top speed. Even at such speeds, it is able to maintain a mileage of up to 48 miles, which is pretty good for such a compact bike. It is made possible with the 12.5Ah battery driving the motor of this electric bike. You will also have a lot of fun riding this bike as it features 3 different riding modes along with a 7-speed gear system. Number 2. Our second best pick is VELOWAVE electric fat tire bike. Mileage is a pretty important factor for a lot of users, especially those who are looking for an electric bike for routine usage. Therefore, we have this great option listed up next on our list. In the second position, we are listing this electric bike. This is one of the powerful as well as reliable options available on our list of the best electric fat tire bikes. This bike is powered by a 750 watts motor, making it a high-speed option with up to 28 miles per hour speed limit. And with the 26 inches standard tire design, this bike becomes an ideal choice for even the most rugged applications. You will also get a 7-speed gear design with this bike to manage the riding experience as per your ease. But even with such a powerful configuration, this electric bike still has a great mileage of about 40 miles on a single charge. It is made possible with the 15Ah powerful battery driving its motor. The battery is also removable so that you can charge it without having to get the bike inside your house. Number 3. Our third best pick is Speedrid electric fat tire bike. If you are rather interested in budget options for an electric fat tire bike, we have got you covered. There are a handful of options like this one that give you a lot of great features around a tight budget. Our third pick for the best electric fat tire bike is this electric bike. This is arguably one of the most affordable options we have come across while creating this list. But, it certainly does not feel that way looking at its specifications. This electric bike features an industry-standard 500 watts motor to power this bike, making it go as fast as 23 miles per hour even with the 26 inches wide and 4 inches thick tires. It also offers a decent mileage thanks to the 10Ah battery. Once fully charged, this electric bike can be ridden for about 22 miles without any problem. Some additional functionality of this bike includes a 7-speed gear system, a dedicated digital display for bike status, and high-strength carbon steel shock absorbers. It also has a durable design since it is made up of an aluminum frame. Number 4. Our fourth best pick is ECOTRIC electric fat tire bike. As we have found a handful of affordable picks while drafting this list, we have one more option to offer you. It also features the standard electric bike specifications along with a highly competitive price tag. This electric bike is yet another great example of how you can get an ideal electric bike for your application without spending a fortune. This is also a highly affordable option from our list and still offers a pretty great set of features. This electric bike operates on a 500 watts motor, granting a top speed of 20 miles per hour. And it is also pretty easy to put together this bike after unboxing since it is already 90% pre-assembled before shipping. The best part of this electric bike is its battery. While most budget options lack in the battery section, it houses a 12.5 Ah battery. So, it can easily sustain the powerful motor at a high speed for up to 19 miles without any problem. Number 5. Our fifth best pick is Vivi electric fat tire bike. Rounding up our picks for the best electric fat tire bikes, we have one more budget-friendly option. This bike is made by Vivi, a renowned supplier for many types of electric bikes such as electric fat tire bikes, folding bikes, and mountain bikes, etc. This electric bike is our final pick for the best electric fat tire bike available in the market. This is also a budget option that focuses more on reliability rather than specifications. Therefore, you will find a standard 500 watts motor powering this bike, offering a top speed of 25 miles per hour. While the power specifications of this electric bike are not too bad, its battery efficiency is definitely one of its strong suits. This electric bike runs on a 12.5 Ah battery. It is a pretty powerful battery for a 500 watts motor, which increases the range of this electric bike up to 50 miles. Therefore, this can be the best option for regular commutes and be a significant cost-saving option for your daily routine. Even charging this electric bike should not be a problem as its battery supports fast charging. With that, you will be able to charge this bike within 4 to 5 hours and get it ready for another 50 miles round trip. Make sure to check the links in the description below. That's all for this review. Feel free to share your feedback.